Hello students, welcome back to Let Us Master English. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to write an advertisement for Accommodation Wanted. Students, in my previous videos, I have already taught you how to write an advertisement for Situation Vacant and Situation Wanted in Lecture 1, Lost and Found Articles, Lecture 2, how to write an advertisement for sale and purchase of property, vehicle and household goods in lecture 3. And today we are going to learn how to write an advertisement for Accommodation Wanted. So let's get started. Now students, if you want to know what is an advertisement, how many types of advertisements are there, what is classified advertisement, different categories of advertisement, and marking scheme, then you can watch lecture 1. There I have already discussed all these topics. Now what is Accommodation Wanted? It is a type of advertisement that is used to seek accommodation or premises for business or residence. Such advertisements specify the type of accommodation required, duration for which it is required, preferred locality, and terms and conditions for rent or lease. Students, lease is a contract granting use of property during a specified period in exchange for a specified rent. Now here are some important tips which are to be followed while writing an advertisement. Clearly state the category at the top. For example, accommodation wanted, situation vacant, for sale, to let, etc. So when we write advertisement, in first line, you are supposed to state the category under which you are writing your advertisement. And after that, give all the necessary details about the property that you want on rent or lease. After that, give your name, contact address and telephone number. And please stick to the word limit, that is 50 words. This question is for 3 marks. And once you write your advertisement, put the matter in a box. Students, if you forget to draw the box, you will lose half mark. So please remember this. This is very, very important. Now here are some value points which would help you in writing an advertisement for Accommodation Wanted. First of all, mention the area in square feet or yards which you require. Then situation, that is where you want that property, in which area, for example, on Gandhi Marg, in posh area, in sector 8, or it should be a corner plot, east facing and so on. Then you must mention nature of use. For example, as a guest house, showroom, bank ATM, a residence or godown. Then terms of contract, whether you want that property on rent or lease. You may also mention the facilities like uninterrupted water and electricity supply, parking, telephone connection, etc. if required. You may also invite tenders saying lowest rates, terms and conditions, building layout. And at the end, please mention your contact, address and telephone number. Now here is a simple advertisement for you which would help you in writing advertisement on your own. The question is, you are the General Manager, Coal India Limited, New Delhi. Write an advertisement to be published in a newspaper for suitable accommodation on rent to be used as a guest house for the company. Now students, let us check what is provided in the question that can be used while writing advertisement. I'm going to read the question once again and discuss. You are the General Manager, Coal India Limited, New Delhi. So students, here the contact address is given and also the name of the organization is Coal India Limited. Write an advertisement to be published in a newspaper for suitable accommodation on rent. So, terms of contract, you want the property on rent to be used as a guest house for the company. So, what is the nature of use? To be used as a guest house for the company. So, all this information we are going to use along with some more information on our own. So let's write the advertisement. First line, the category, that is Accommodation Wanted. Then we'll mention the name of the organization. Coal India, New Delhi, wants suitable accommodation on rent to be used as a guest house. See, this much was provided in the question. With attached baths, spacious kitchen and car parking. Minimum carpet area of 2500 square feet in a posh South Delhi area preferred. Interested parties may please contact Mr. Balu, General Manager, Coal India, New Delhi, or phone. After that, give the contact number. So isn't it easy? One more sample advertisement. You are Srinivasan, 27 Elgin Road, Chennai, a businessman who wants to set up a small garment shop in your city. Draft an advertisement seeking a suitable space for rent to be published in the wanted accommodation column of a local newspaper. Write the advertisement in not more than 50 words. Now students, I'm going to read the question once again and let us see what is given in the question. You are R. Srinivasan, 27 Elgin Road, Chennai. So the contact address is given here. A businessman who wants to set up a small garment shop in your city. So what is the nature of use? The property which you want. You are going to set up a small garment shop. Draft an advertisement seeking a suitable space for rent. So terms of contract, it is required for rent. To be published in the wanted accommodation column of a local newspaper. Write the advertisement in not more than 50 words. So category is given, that is wanted accommodation or accommodation wanted, and word limit is 50 words. Even if it is not given, the word limit for writing an advertisement is 50 words. So this is how we are going to write our advertisement. Accommodation wanted. So wanted on rent, a showroom with carpet area of 1500 square feet in central Chennai for our newly started stylo ready-made garments. Ground floor preferred. Interested parties may please contact R. Srinivasan, 27 Elgin Road, Chennai, or phone, then give the phone number. So students, I hope now you will be able to write advertisement for accommodation wanted. So thank you very much for watching this video, and for more such videos, kindly subscribe my channel and please do not forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. Please like, comment, and share my video with your friends. Thank you very much.